React Native or Flutter? Which one should you use to build your mobile app? First off, they are both solid options for building a cross-platform application. The main difference, though, at their core, Flutter uses its own rendering engine to recreate its set of UI elements painted onto a canvas, whereas React Native communicates with the native SDK to render the actual native iOS or Android elements. So the trade-off, because Flutter has full control over the rendering environment, it can ensure that views look exactly the same across platforms, but it doesn't inherit the system functionality that we expect. And so sometimes when system updates happen, Flutter views don't update to match and the app can feel outdated. And a lot of times the Flutter views don't feel exactly right with things that are very particular, like scroll views or text inputs. Getting that feel to perfectly match is surprisingly difficult. Where React Native uses JavaScript to control the actual native views, so your app always looks and feels native by default, and you can use all of the native libraries that already exist for iOS or Android. The trade-off is you inherit a little bit of extra complexity for managing that communication layer, especially if you've ejected your app from Expo. So don't do that unless you know what you're doing. But which one is better? I mean, you decide. React Native is the better one.